Wednesday morning, about 36 minutes before US session open, and day 3 of my 150K evaluation challenge. So looking at Zigzag Pro, this is part of yesterday, so maybe it would kind of pay. Let's take a look at yesterday's action and see what happened. So yesterday there was this big leg up, and after that we see a decline. Now that decline at first was no big deal, but then Zigzag Pro identifies a top. So there was the decline down, then a move higher, but Zigzag Pro identifies this top right there, and which was a lower top, and that signaled that because we could not get higher to that previous high, we could be seeing a move lower, which actually is exactly what took place. So giving that kind of a background, we're going to step into today. So overnight, again, a move higher, and now a retracement. But now this retracement, as you can see, Zigzag Pro identifies a low. It is above that previous low that had that triple bottom. You see that triple bottom? So that becomes important. The fact that we have a low, so far at least, that is above that triple bottom is actually bullish and could signal a move beyond that immediate high that Zigzag Pro identifies, and possibly into those higher levels. Before we get to today's trading, there was a very serious issue I would like to address. Apparently, some of the indicators I used in the previous videos, there is some kind of a misunderstanding. None of the indicators come with automation. It is true I used automation with such indicators as iTrend Pro and RevOut. That software is a third-party software. This company is not a partner of ninza.co, which is why I did not mention this company by name. But again, these indicators are just indicators. They do not come with automation. If there was any kind of confusion, I apologize. The fault is with me. I made the video. I should have made it clearer. There was no intent of any deception, not on my part, not on ninza.co part. Ninza is a very honest company that cares about its customers, and I have no intention of deceiving anyone. I used automation because I'm doing a lot of things and I can't always be in front of this particular chart. So just to clear it up again, those indicators do not come with automation. Okay, let's get to the trading. Alright, so my plan again revolves around looking for long trades only, based on the fact that Zigzag Pro identifies a low so far that is higher than the previous low of the triple bottom. So I expect higher levels to get hit in today's session, going beyond the immediate high again that Zigzag Pro identified. So we'll be looking for long trades only. Alright, so unfortunately, I'm sorry guys, already missed the first trade. Yeah, just happened to
NQ, sell signal 2.
Click the recording button, but using the RK system Platinum together with EOB ordering. So as I said, was looking for longs and hit one target already there. Just switch to another ATM strategy. Going to go with one contract now. Again, I am trading differently an evaluation account than I would my funded account. Yeah, so, just missed this signal, happened too fast, couldn't quite grab it. Now let's see, as long as we're not going negative, I'm going to try and grab another long. Looks like it might be, let's see. Okay.
Order filled.
Up, here it is. See if we can grab that target.
Target filled.
Okay, here is another winning trade. So yeah, I mean the RK system platinum. I mean, look at the signal since the market opened up, since the session opened up. It's just all bullish, which is what I want. Gives all buying signals, and every single one of them.
NQ,
I did not
sell signal 1.
Now you see, I don't want the short. First of all, I'm not looking for shorts right now, but also this short is above the line, and I don't like this kind of trades. Not to say that it can't work out. If you just look at the indicator by itself, it could still work out. I don't like sells above the line or buys below the line. I prefer the short signals to be below the line and buy signals like this one to be above the line. It's just too late on this one. Things are moving. So again, if I can just bring out the Zigzag Pro 1 minute. So Zigzag Pro, you see how this, first of all, this pivot holds, and now this pivot holds, which is why I was bullish. Because of this, we spoke about this earlier.
NQ, sell signal 1.
Breaking pivots higher, and then this is a retracement. This is a retracement unless this pivot breaks. This support area right here, which was a triple bottom, right? So as long as this holds, we are still in a bullish situation, and I'm looking only for long trades. Right, so now we have again a sell signal that I'm not going to take because I'm looking for longs. So I mean, the sell signals are fine and they could work out, but I'm looking for longs.
NQ, sell signal 1.
Fine, if there's going to be a retracement, that's okay. I'm going to take the retracement and then see if I can have another buy signal. Okay, so they continue to sell off, and that's okay. I mean, look, again, as far as the indicator by itself, great sell signal. I chose not to participate, and that's just my preference. Right now, still looking for longs, but a platinum system, this system, RK system platinum, is just terrific system. I can't even call it just an indicator because there's just so much here. And really, when I want to be completely sure, this is what I use. This is terrific. Very reliable. Every now and then, just kind of glancing at the Zigzag Pro in the 5 minutes just to make sure I am still good and I am still fine as far as the pivots I was talking about. Alright, so looks like we're trying to break. Here we are breaking to the upside. Just going to wait for retracement now and then an arrow. I prefer for price to be above that line. As I said,
NQ, buy signal 1.
Prefer to buy above the line or sell below the line. If it's going to go too much lower, I will disable. I'm going to disable this. See, got below the line, don't like it. If it gets above again, I'll try to buy on bar close to the upside again. I'm gonna try this.
Order filled.
Okay.
Target filled.
Okay, so doing well. Terrific signals from RK System Platinum. I mean, what else do you need, really? Excellent, very nice. Okay, and I didn't miss this trade, so that was, I actually recorded it, I hope. Let me see. No, I am recording it. Yeah, good. Okay. All right. So I am really already at my daily goal. As I said, my daily goal for this account is between 300 and 500, and 15 minutes into market open, I am pretty much here. I am here. Let's quickly review though. Just an amazing signals. What is there to say? So again, so the indicator here gives a short signal, and it would be a winning signal. I just chose not to participate because my plan called for look for longs, and when you have a plan, very often you still see setups.
NQ by signal 4 by signal 4
would be winning trades, and you have to be okay with letting it go. Don't obsess about it. At the end, your plan is what will keep you alive long term in this business, and this does mean that you're going to miss winning trades going the other way. That's just how it is. Just a terrific signal from RKS's Platinum here. One after another. They're all winning signals. Terrific. Let's take a look at the Zigzag Pro again. Here is the Zigzag Pro. So I said I always kind of keep an eye on this. This pivot's still good. We had a test, so you see what's interesting. Take a look at this. Goes to show you why this indicator is so important. Look at the test of this pivot. Look, quick test and out. Right there. So I was keeping an eye on this. Very quick test and out. And since the market opened, no test of it at all. So all bullish. Now again, try to do this for yourself as an exercise. They're going, if this is a move higher, where they're going? Here as the first stop, right? You begin to train your eye to identify longer, kind of further targets, and eventually, as your account can withstand when you're beyond the trailing threshold. So in my evaluation account, I'm obviously still subject to this trailing threshold, so I need to grab my profits. In my other account, I actually hold. I hold trades in my other accounts because I'm aware of these levels. There is a lot more available than just grabbing a quick few $100s here and there. You can participate in bigger moves. It does require some practice for sure. Trading is a skill like any other skill, like being an engineer or a plumber or an electrician or a dentist. You need certain experience, you need certain knowledge, you need to develop certain skills, and once you're there, with the help of these tools
NQ
that
by signal 3
we can shoot for much larger targets, and even more importantly, really understand what is going on. Understanding, I just think is so important. Beyond just grabbing trades, looking for arrows, understanding what is happening big picture is important. Anyway, so now been looking at the 5-minute chart, right? Here is the Zigzag Pro. Here is Zigzag Pro identifies this pivot. Remember this pivot all the way from early morning? And now we arrived at every single level outlined by Zigzag Pro. So that's trading with a plan, right? Seeing where price might go. Now actually, if we start arriving at this major level, which Zigzag identified sometime from there, all the way there on the left, it actually becomes okay to try and take a short upon confirmation. All right, so price is arriving at that level I was talking about. So now I'm going to be using cumulative delta to see if I can identify some selling coming in. So I used this indicator a couple of times already. in my previous videos. It's excellent at identifying, if you're looking for buying, identifying buying. If you're looking for selling, identifying an area where there is selling coming in. So if this indicator confirms for me that indeed there is some selling coming in at this level, because there are some levels above that one obviously, but if there is some selling coming in, I will try a short. Well, looks like they're breaking through so far, so cumulative delta did not allow me to go short, at least so far. Let's see if we can, if there is some selling coming in, you know, this indicator will let me know. As of right now, I should not be selling. That is what cumulative delta is telling me. So even though I might think that this kind of an area should produce some kind of a reaction to the downside, this indicator is telling me don't do it. And not participating in losing trades, I think, is even more important than participating in winning trades, because you know, no one blew an account by not making enough profits. People blow accounts by participating in a lot of losing trades. So you know, with probably a big position size and all that good stuff. So yeah, you see they just continue higher, and cumulative delta does not allow me to go short. So that is just phenomenal. I avoided a losing trade. I did not participate on the long side, and that's on me, but at least I stayed away from trying to short a level that so far the market is breaking through.
Order filled.
Here comes the selling. So now I can participate.
Target filled.
You know,
Stop filled.
I mean, look, I wanted to go short here. The indicator did not allow me to. I had to wait. I had to be patient. And here is the cumulative delta saying, now there is selling coming in. And unfortunately, I got out at break even on the second half, but I was able to participate in a short trade. It's just that I did not have to guess. This was told me right here. So, you know, kind of going back to the idea, all these indicators are tools. We just need to use them the right way. So I look at this at key levels. At key levels, when I say, you know what, there should be a reaction.
By signal 2.
Just because I think there should be a reaction, right? It doesn't matter what I think. Here, I got it. Now, it's not much of a reaction so far. I mean, the market is extremely bullish. But I did expect something here, and there was something. There was just enough for the first target. It's just the idea of using an indicator in a way that allows us to be profitable. There is no such thing, especially when dealing with ninza.co's indicators, there's no such thing as indicator that doesn't work. The indicator works. You know, it's just that it's a tool that we need to use the right way. Okay, I am going to take a break here. So here is another buying coming in, right? So this was a very short-term selling, and here is the buying. And tell me the delta did not nail it. Tell me this indicator did not nail it. Very short-term selling, and up we go. Let's take a look at the 5-minute chart on the Zigzag Pro. So it broke through one, right? There was one here, broken through. So once it breaks through, it becomes a thin line over here. This is the one we broke through that I thought maybe there will be a reaction. Where is the next stop? Right over here. See, this indicator gives you a map. It gives you a map where price might go. And you base your trading based on this map. So really, this is trading with a plan, not just trading randomly. And that is really the way to make trading a business, a consistent source of income. All right, so this was day 3. Another successful day, slowly working our way up to $9,000 total profit goal. Again, just relying on a number of ninZaCO indicators, the Zigzag Pro for the big picture, then RK System Platinum, cumulative delta for pinpointing where I want to enter. So, as always, first of all, make sure you're subscribed. Please leave a like. I do appreciate the likes, by the way. I did take a look. There are many more likes than there used to be. Just lets me know that someone is listening. I do appreciate it. Hope to make another video tomorrow. Just kind of, I guess my goal, I don't know if I'll be able to do it. My goal is to be able to record every single day as I am going through this process of qualifying for the 150K account. And I thank you for being part of it. All right, guys, enjoy.